Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to get ChatGPT to find the cheapest flights for me on PC. So open up any browser of your choice, go to ChatGPT, the official website openai.com. So go to the official website and log into your account. So you can create, if you don't have an account, you can simply just log in using your Google credentials. So click on login and then click on try GPT and open up the ChatGPT interface here. So once you're on the ChatGPT interface, all you have to do now is in the chat bar here, just type in this command here. So just type this in and ask for the cheapest flights with ChatGPT. Okay, just type this in. Okay, so this is the prompt that you need to type. As a travel assistant, I need you to help me find the cheapest flights available. My departure city, so type in your departure city. Okay, and I want to fly to your destination city, so type in your destination city. And my travel date, include your travel date here. And I prefer, whether if you like, prefers you want non-stop flights or layovers or self transfers, anything specific that you want to mention, you can mention it here. Okay, and then just type in, please show me the lowest price airlines and departure times. Also include any links or mention which websites to check. So this is the prompt. Just type that in and hit on this send button here. There you go. So now you have the results here. So here, okay, so as mentioned, so these are the options that I have. So which are the airlines that's best ones that are available for me? It's been listed here. Okay, so you can just go through that, you can review these and then check which one is better, and also have other sites recommendations here. So all I have to do now is just simply review these, go through these, and then see which one like best suits me. So for example here, so if it's if, for example, like Malaysian Airlines, if I see that this best suits and this the fare range is pretty much all right, then what I'm going to do is simply click on the link here. So they also provide links, so where you can book this. So if you see where to book, you have the options, the links to book this. So simply click on the link and that will open up the booking page where you can complete the bookings. And that's pretty much it.